right, my first mini lesson, or one of the first mini lessons, I should say, for my genre is what qualifies as a research topic. The genre that I'm doing is elementary research. The connections, I would start by talking to the students about how there's so many different types, there's so many topics around us that can be researched and explored. And if you look at the illustration on the right, it has the magnifying glass and research, and I would probably go over some of those synonyms that are mentioned on that animation to help them understand what researching is and to give them other ideas when you provide the synonyms. My teaching, I would tell the students that today we're going to be brainstorming appropriate topics that we could research, and I would want to review with them what it means to brainstorm. There's no right or wrong answers, really. It's just to help us generate ideas, and we should be listening to our peers because they might have an idea that you like, and you might want to use that idea, or they have an idea that will help you think of something else. And they should also feel free about brainstorming because they don't necessarily have to use their idea that they might share with the other students. It might not be the idea that they end up using, and that's okay because that's what brainstorming is all about. It's good to just get our thoughts focused in on the genre. That would be the goal. I would then have the active involvement. I would tell the students I'd like them to turn and talk with their elbow partner about some nonfiction topics that you've read about before, or maybe that you've even written about before. And I, emphasize that we're doing nonfiction topics, and we're reminding the students what it means when it is nonfiction, that it is real, that it is concrete, that we can prove these things with facts. Though that's nonfiction, and maybe explain to them also that that's research. You do research on nonfiction topics. You're not going to do a fiction topic, at least just not in this assignment. After about the 2 minutes of letting the students do their active engagement, I would try to bring them back together. And I would say that today in our writer's journal, we're going to do a 2-minute quick write. And I'd like them to title the quick write Possible Research Topics. And they could go ahead and start writing down all the ideas. Maybe some of the ideas that you guys shared during the brainstorm they really were interested in, so they wanted to write it down. Or maybe what's something that was mentioned during the brainstorm clicked in their head and now they thought of something else. Remind the students that these are just possible research topics and that there's no pressure to use a specific one for them from this list or use one at all from their list. They can maybe think of something else later that they want to do. It's just possible research topics. I would give them, like I said, a 2-minute quick write, and then we would wrap it up. And if they're, volunteers want to share and whatnot. Also, maybe if you have time and if you feel that things have gone so smoothly and the students really are, starting to gain interest in what they're writing down, maybe encourage them to star their favorite 4 or 5 topics that they wrote down, just so that next time when they pick up, they can think, oh, these are the things that really stood out to me. Okay, thanks. Good luck. Bye.